Hey guys, we're very happy to release the latest episode of The Road to Rebuild, RAMY 3.0. As most of you know, we had a huge fire next to our old premises that actually burnt everything down. 4 months already, can you imagine? And it has been a catastrophe since then. But today we're talking to you to bring some good news on the table. We finally found our new location. Our new location is in the heart of Al Goz, in a much nicer area, much cleaner area, and it's double the size of what we used to have. So a lot of people that know us knew that we overgrew the old location, and everybody wanted us to have a bigger workshop, a bigger showroom, and guess what? We finally got these. So we're standing here in the heart of our new location. We won't tell you much. We want you to be curious. The workshop is double the size and even more. And it has one entrance and one exit. So it's like a nice way. You go in from one side, you drive through, and then you go out from the other side. There's a receiving area and there's a waiting area. And then the showroom is hopefully gonna be something super fun. We can't tell you everything right now. As you know, when we're building and moving to new locations, lots of surprises. But we have an awesome team and awesome partners. So dream is coming along, it's coming true. Let us know if you have any questions. Hopefully very soon we will be operating from here. And we can't wait to go through RAMY 3.0 with all of you.